Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am working with a company called Megalook hair. Alright guys, I already bleached the knots. Now I'm going to tone the blonde in the wig because I don't want it to look brassy. Some people don't do this, so I am going in with my purple shampoo and I'm toning the wig, and you'll see the light blonde turn to like an ash blonde. Alrighty guys, here's the box that they sent me, and here are some goodies that they gave me inside. Alrighty guys, now here's the wig. It is dry. My next step is to tint my wig cap. I do not want to glue it on, so I'm just going to leave it like that, but make sure everything is slick and edge protected. The reason why I didn't do a ball cap method, I feel like sometimes when you want to do the ball cap method, I feel like when your hair comes up and starts to comes up, the cap makes it come up faster. That's just my opinion. If you agree with me, let me know down below. Alrighty guys, my lace is tinted with some concealer that I use, and now my next step is to glue my wig down. I will be using Kiss Almighty Bond, and I will do 2 thick layers. Okay, now I cut my lace into pieces so I can cut it by sections with my razor. Right now I am gluing my ear tab down, so let's continue to melt this lace. Okay, right now I am cutting my lace. I'm using my razor, and as I cut my lace, I shake my razor so it won't be just a blunt, straight line. You will see me putting dark warm brown down my roots because my knots did over bleach, but I like that, so I can go back in with a dark brown and it makes it look more natural. Alrighty, I tied my lace down, finished doing the touching up the roots and touching up spots. And right now I am curling my hair. I am doing more body curl because I like swoops. So when you curl on each side, you curl away from your face. I guess that's the best way I can explain it. You curl away from your face, but I'm just going to show you and just keep watching. guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else you want to see below. Thank you.